Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is one of the requested video from one of my subscriber who regularly watch my video. That's why I'm going to make this supporting video. So also if you need same support from me, then you can send me request, type on the comment, then you will get free support on Shopify store design customization or relevant other things. Okay, so in this video what I'm going to do, actually I have published a video guideline how to add a custom button on Shopify Dawn theme header menu section, and you can see that here is the button our store. This is custom button, and the problem is that my subscriber face this is when he visit this website with mobile, then this our store button show in here and it looks unprofessional. He wanted to move it on here on the pop-up box or slide menu. Okay, and here we are going to do this how we can add this button on the pop-up slide menu in mobile, also how to hide it on mobile and show it on desktop. So this tutorial will be very helpful if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to customize your Shopify online store by yourself without hiring any developer, without any coding skill, then this tutorial will be very helpful for you. So let's get started. So first of all, I am going to my Shopify admin panel. You can see that here is my, let me show. Here is my Shopify admin panel. Then click online store. Okay, and then here is the code edit section. Click on here, and as we have added our store in here, I'm going to search this text. Open header. Search header.liquid and Control F our store. You see that here is the our store, and we wanted to show this on mobile slide menu, also hide it on desktop. Okay, to do this, here is ready code snippet I have already added. First of all, we have to open header drawer. Let me show you in Zoom. We have to open header drawer. So I'm going to open it, copy this line, then go back and search header drawer. You see here is the header drawer. Then we have to find out this line of code, copy, and Control F, Control V. You see here is the line of code header drawer. Then looks very carefully. We are going to make a break space and add button in here before end of nav. So here is the button, copy. Okay, click on the save. Now if I reload and make it mobile version, reload again, let me show. You have to save it. Okay, now reload again. Wow, you see our store. Here is the button, but the problem is that we wanted to show this button only mobile and hide it on desktop, also hide it on mobile and show it on desktop. Okay, so to do this we have to go to our code edit section. header, and okay, copy this line of code, go to the chat GPT or others code AI, coding AI. So taking the support from AI, I want to verifying. We have to wait a little bit time. I want to show it only desktop and laptop, tablet device, but not on mobile. Okay, share code. So I'm just taking the support from AI. So you can see that here is the ready code snippet. Just going to copy and add this code snippet on. Let me find the CSS section. Going to edit on here before int of int style. Control V. Then click on the save. Okay. Now reload. Wow. You see? Okay. So there is a problem when we watch it by mobile, then it's hide. So what we have to do? We have to do another things, that is mobile button desktop. Yes, we have to add it, custom button desktop. Yes, we just add this CSS on the header.liquid but not header drawer. So now reload. Yes, you see. So we have to use different button in here. Totally remove this one. Yes, desktop button, and in the same way we have to add CSS for custom button. Okay, going to copy. Okay, now we can check it and reload. We're going to find out the issue. Custom button, it's okay. We show custom button in here, but in header let me find out it. Okay, we have found it. Line number 484. line 100, line number 484, and button desktop, yes, 484. Now it's worked definitely. Check. Yes, yes, it's working. Nice. So I hope you understand how we can do this. This is very easy and simple. Just copy and paste the code snippet and get the result. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.